Hey fam, back with another quick video. This is a snack. I was hungry and I thought I would go ahead and make a video. And what this consists of is, let me bring you down here. We have some chopped up green onions, Persian cucumbers, and some chopped up tomatoes. So I'm going to put them in a bowl, and then I'm going to add in some lemon pepper seasoning. So it's different than just lemon pepper. This is lemon pepper seasoning. And for added flavor, if you like, you can add in some apple cider vinegar. You just throw it all in. Then I'm going to add in some lemon pepper seasoning, just a dash of apple cider vinegar, 2 caps. I'm going to put the top on, and then I'm going to shake it up. There you go, voila, it is done. This is a great snack to have when you want something to munch on. I normally let this set overnight so that all the flavors can gel together. You can pack this in for lunch. You can have it as a side, as a salad, or as a snack. All right. So good. You gotta try this, everyone.